Good morning. Welcome to the E3 Weekly Market Report. I'm Pat McClatchy. Exports have just come out. Of course, we were delayed a day because of the holiday on Monday. Let's take a look at where we are right now. The cotton market, the export figure was 194,600 running bales, up 14% from the previous week and up 63% from the 4-week average. Turkey took 53,800. South Korea took 47,000 and Pakistan took 16,100. Looking for any other numbers that we could see. That's really it for that. Cotton was up 50 just before this report came out minutes ago, and right now cotton is up 47, so it has not changed much. Let's look at soybeans. The soybean export sales figure, 985,100 metric tons. That is down 13% from the previous week and down 5% from the 4-week average. China took 717,900 metric tons. Mexico took 102,400 metric tons. Germany took 76,000 metric tons. Looking at light sales for new crop. Excuse me. The soybean market. Soybean market was up 5.5 just before this report. Right now it's up 5 3/4. Not much change. Looking at the corn number. A good number here, 1,157,700 metric tons, up a full 73% from the previous week and up 91% over the 4-week average. Mexico took 466,900. Saudi Arabia took 146,500. South Korea took 138,000. Now, corn was up 2.5 before the report. Right now, it's making a new high. It's up 3.5 at 370.5 right now in March. Corn. Let's look at wheat. Wheat, 362,000 metric tons, up 32% from the previous week and up 33% from the 4-week average. Mexico took 100,100 metric tons. Japan took 52,600 metric tons. The Philippines took 50,100 metric tons. Wheat's reaction, wheat was up 3/4 cent. Now it's up 1 3/4. So we've had a positive reaction in wheat, a positive reaction in corn, not much reaction in soybeans from this export report, and cotton has actually backed off. It's up 42 right now, so it was up 50 before the report. Let's take a look at some of the recent developments. Of course, we've been trading in commodities off of outside influences for some time, mainly negative news out of China. Each night we come in and we come in the morning and look and see what China has done and the previous day during their stock market session, and the reaction of their stock market, the reaction of their currency, has quite a bit to do with what commodities will do, and that reaction has been negative for commodities. It's been negative for global stock markets. So the question is, what does the future hold? Can we see a bounce in agricultural commodities? And if so, how much and why would that happen? Well, as the market has gone down, probably lower than it should in reaction to China. Also, negative talk about crude oil and a bullish or a very positive dollar value. As that's happened, we could easily see a correction there, and probably will. And with that, we could see the markets in agricultural markets lift off and have a good bounce. How much? Let's look at cotton. March cotton right now is trading 62.40. It's up 31. Looking for the March to get up as high as 65 to 67, looking out over the coming months, assuming that we can get some stability in world markets. December cotton, right now, December cotton is trading at 62.58. I think December cotton can get into the same level, 65 to 67. Some people think in the last half of the year we could go higher than that, up into the 70s. March soybeans, let's talk about that. Right now they're trading at 884.25. The upside potential there in March beans, according to many analysts, on a bounce would be to get to 910. Right now we're trading at 884. November soybeans, right at the moment, they're trading at 891.5, and the potential there is for getting up toward 920 to 930. Let's look at corn. March corn's up 3 1/4 at 370 1/4. Excuse me. March corn's got the potential to get up in the coming months to 390, up as high as 390 to $4. And December corn, it's trading at 392. It's got the potential to get up to 410 to 420. Look at wheat. Right now, March wheat's up 1 3/4 at 476 3/4. March wheat has the potential to get up as high as 520. And July wheat that's trading at 486.5 has got the potential to get up to 530. Those are just some projections if we can get some stability in the market. It doesn't mean that the Chinese stock market has got to rally a lot. It just means we need to be stable. And so that's just our perspective on these markets and, of course, what the exports have done. Looking at one last review, cotton market right now is up 33 at 62.42. March beans are up 5 1/4 at 883 3/4. March corn's up 2 3/4 at 369 3/4. And March wheat is up 1 3/4 at 476 3/4. That's it for the day. Hope you have a good day, and we'll talk to you later. Thank you.